coming to you because we have a Brandless box, and I thought that we would go ahead and do an unboxing for you. It has been a quick minute since we have bought anything from them. We've got a lot of new stuff we're trying, so here we go. All right, I've got my son helping me, and we're in my room. That's why if it looks like a bed, it still is a bed. All right, ready? Pull it open. All right, here we go.
The unboxing sound.
The unboxing. All right. Ooh. Okay, let's look. Hold on.
Stop that.
Well, go slow and I'll show you everything. First, this is brand new that I am trying. It is protein powder, and I thought I would give it a try. I can't really give you an idea of what it tastes like, so I'm not going to eat raw protein powder. Gross. So, I don't know. I'll update it somewhere and let you guys know. All right, what did you get, mister?
I got popcorn.
All right, popcorn kernels. Make our own popcorn, and they're organic. Win. All right, what's that? Whoa! Holy cow! Whole wheat animal cookies. Y'all, this is a giant bag. I don't know if you can tell, but look at this. It's as big as the entire box. I was not anticipating it being that big. Why don't you go ahead and open this, buddy, and tell me what you think of the flavor. While he's doing that, dried cranberries. I really like their cranberries. I've had them before. And the really nice thing is, you can see this. Really simple ingredients. Oh, the cookie. What do you think? It's an animal cookie. It's good?
Yeah, this is like all the animal cookies I had.
So regular ones like you've had before.
And
ooh,
honey,
these are, yep, go ahead and say it, bud.
Honey Crisp apple chips.
Alright, I want you to try that too when you're done with your cookie. I have used their cane sugar before, so I bought it again. The brown sugar I've used, I bought it again. I just used that the other day.
What?
This will, just a second. This will be a new thing that I have not used yet, but I feel like cocoa powder, and this is a pretty decent sized box. It feels like, yeah, there's a bag inside, but still, this is a good sized box for, I think it was $3, and it's a 7-ounce box. What are you unwrapping, mister?
I don't know.
He's unwrapping
Something that's weird.
It should be olive oil.
And
it is.
Extra vinegar olive oil.
Oh, so close. Extra virgin olive oil. Again, this is a really good sized bottle. Can you see, like...
Okay, this is definitely in a can.
This is some flour. I had bought this before. We actually had put it under our bed for storage, and we had a water leak and it got ruined. So I've never tried it, but I have purchased it before, so hopefully this time I'll get to use it. He is unwrapping more goodness over here.
Yeah.
Ooh, what is it?
It's mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise.
Oh,
Ooh.
gross. Don't
Organic mayonnaise. Again, good sized jar, 12 ounces. I'm really happy with that. My daughter's the mayonnaise fan, so this is for her. We did the brown sugar. Okay. What else is in here? Ooh, here's another jar. What is it? All right, what is in this one? Whoop, there it goes. I think I know what it is.
It is maple syrup.
Look. Okay. Again, we've bought this before and we did really like it. For $3 for pure maple syrup, that is not a bad price. 6.7 ounces. It's organic.
And
we still have a smidgen left, so I knew I needed some more of this. What's that?
Last but not least, dish.
Dish soap.
That's not fun at all.
There should be one more thing in there. Let's look. What did you think of the apple chip that you tried?
Good.
Good?
Because they're actually made out of apples.
They are actually made out of apples, and it's crunchy.
Yes.
Yes.
And I like it so much because it tastes like real apples.
Oh, that's good. Alright, this is the whole box. I will say this. Definitely improved packaging. Sorry about my dogs. They're fight playing. Anyway, definitely improved packaging. They used to not wrap up their liquids, and now they do, and I really appreciate that. Nothing spilled, nothing broke. It all came in very good condition. I'm really excited to try some of this stuff. Like I said, it's been a quick minute, mostly because in an RV, there's only so many places you can put stuff.
Hi.
Ready?
Apple crunch.
Apple crunch. All right, anyway, so we have not bought anything because I had so much stuff that I had nowhere to put it. I will say other things that I did not buy this time because, again, space, was peanut butter, which we love their peanut butter. We love their jams. I thought I bought a jam, but I guess I didn't. That's my bad. A lot of the stuff is new, and I'm actually really impressed, especially with these cookies, with the size of the bag. It's huge. I think it's very easy to feel like sometimes they're small bags, but it's not. I don't know. What else have you guys tried that you like? Because I love shipping with them, or, you know, having them ship me stuff, especially since it's organic. And I'm going to get all this packaging recycled. It's cranberries. You see this, girl? Say hi.
Nana.
Yeah, you're eating the apples. She's going to town on these apples, so that's good to know. But I bought a lot of baking stuff and condiments that I was running out of. I don't know. And if I have any ideas, thoughts afterwards of the flour or the protein powder, I'll put it just in the comment area, description area, whatever. Anyway, thanks for unboxing my Brandless stuff with me. I'm excited to try some new things. Have a good one.